You're scrolling through your feed and a sleek video catches your eye. A small device emits a tiny blue spark. It touches a skin tag and the blemish simply vanishes. This is the world of the Nuzzy Pen. It is a handheld tool that promises to erase your insecurities in seconds. We are talking about moles, warts, and dark spots disappearing right in your own bathroom. It looks like a luxury pen. It packs a serious electrical punch. The idea is to cauterize the skin using adjustable power levels. You press a button and a quick spark dries out the tissue. A scab forms and then it falls off a few days later. On paper, it sounds like a dream for anyone avoiding a doctor's office. The price tag sits between $40 and $60. That is a fraction of what a specialist would charge. But we need to look closer at what is actually happening here. The marketing is aggressive and polished. They claim a 93% success rate. They show thousands of 5-star reviews on their official site. However, those reviews feel a bit too perfect. When you venture out to independent sites, the praise evaporates. Trustpilot has no record of them. Not a single verified user has posted there. That is a massive red flag for a product this popular. Then there is the website itself. It has only been live for about 4 months. Security experts give it a very low trust score. Scam Advisor gives it a mediocre 56 out of 100. Another technical review site even gave it a 1 out of 100 rating. That is almost unheard of for a legitimate business. It suggests the site might be a fly-by-night operation with hidden owner information. Beyond the tech issues, there are the physical dangers. You are playing with electricity on your face. One slip or a setting that is too high can cause a deep burn. You could end up with a permanent scar that is far more noticeable than a small freckle. Dermatologists are very concerned about these DIY treatments. Their biggest fear is that someone will zap a mole that is actually cancerous. If you burn the surface, you hide the evidence of a serious problem. You lose the chance for a proper biopsy. Real skin health requires a trained eye. A professional knows exactly how deep to go and what tools to use. The Nuzzy Pen is marketed as a pro-level tool for beginners. But surgery is not a hobby. Even if you are careful, the risk of infection is always present. People on forums are reporting mixed results. Some managed to remove a tiny tag. Others ended up with painful red welts that took weeks to heal. The company offers a 99-day guarantee to calm your nerves. But trying to get a refund from a company with hidden ownership is often impossible. It is a classic case of a viral gadget making bold promises without medical backing. Your skin is your largest organ. It protects you from the world every single day. Treating it with a cheap, unverified spark tool is a huge gamble. It is better to save your money and see a licensed professional. They have the training to keep you safe and scarred-free. This device feels like another high-risk trend that prioritizes quick fixes over long-term health. Stay cautious and keep your expectations grounded. Your face is worth more than a $60 shortcut. Always use a secure payment method if you decide to take the risk. But honestly, your health is far too precious for a bargain bin electrical zap.